Hello, beautiful people. A very warm welcome to the Swamanthan. And I, Yatish Agarwal, wishes you a very happy New Year 2021. May God bless you with all the abundance, prosperity, and happiness in this year. And may we have all the good luck in this year. So, today in this video, we will be talking about how this 2021 will be pan out astrologically and what are the themes and stories we have to manage so that our journey in this year becomes easy. So, keep watching. So finally, we have bid adieu to the 2020 and what the hell of a year it was. So we have all the good memories and the bad memories from 2020. So let's not talk about them. We just wish that it was a learning year and we learned a lot in that year. So now talking about 2021. See, 2021 is a year in which you have there will be a lot of optimism and positivity. See, positive now. Positive was the worst noun that can happen in 2020. It was the most negative word of 2020. Do you know that? No? Google it. So, in 2021, we will be seeing a lot of positivity and a lot of optimism. The economies are back on track, and people are generally be more aware of the what is happening around them. So the very first thing that we have to see is we don't fall into the trap of false optimism, meaning that somebody says that I will go to this place. It is just like a false optimism. Unless it is backed by the certain facts and figures, it is just a false optimism because you have to plan out every detail, everything so that your next step is easy. Because Jupiter is in Capricorn and it is in the debilitation sign, so it creates a lot of false optimism, and the very thing which can prevent it is the material practical ways of facts and figures, that how can you do this, what is the plan for this, what is the plan for this, what is the plan for that. Only that way you can help to prevent this false optimism. Second thing in this 2021 we will be seeing with Jupiter in Capricorn is that people will go to into unethical ways of proving their status, proving that what they thought was right, what they manifested was right, into going unethical ways and just to prove other people wrong, that yes, this is what is happening because I manifested it, because it is an unethical way and it is not in the right connection. So be mindful of that, people, and be on your righteousness and be on your dharma, because Jupiter in Capricorn debilitation sign creates a lot of adharmic virtues and karmas, which we will have to pay in the next or the in any of the lifetime. So be mindful of your ways. The next thing we see in 2021 will be, after a lot of breaks, people now want to earn money, whether it's to the shortcut, whether it's to the stock market, whether it's to the gambling or any other reason. People just want to earn money because they have gone or they have suffered a huge losses. Just to overcome that, they are now being after the money and running after the money, not thinking about what would happen to this, what would happen to that, what would happen to their property, what would happen to their car. They just want money at any cost. So you will see a lot of high interest payments, a lot of financings at very high interest, and a lot of new projects being undertaken at a very high cost just to get more money into their bank accounts and feel contented and mindful. The Rahu in Taurus is not satisfied with the money which we have. So it goes after all the money that can be arranged so that we feel contented. Okay, so be watchful of your expenses and be watchful of your income also, because don't get into the debt trap of financing and refinancing and getting into that high interest rate payments. Okay. Other thing that you can see in this 2021 will be a lot of ego issues, especially till April, May. People will take on their egos, take on their self-respect. That how can you say that to me? How can you do this to me? How can you do this to me? You have no right to say that. You will see a lot of statements like that. So be mindful, be careful that this is just a past life karma that is being released, that is being the karmic bond that is being released from your karmas, so that you can now feel free and you in this lifetime and all the other lives that you have to take in this earth, and move ahead with the ease and joy, and get to your pleasures, get to the abundance and prosperity that you have manifested at the soul level plan. So and you achieve your soul purpose. It is just a reason that people around you will take ego issues and fight with you just to prove themselves right or prove yourself wrong. Just don't go into that negative spiral or negative karmic cycle, say again retaliating or doing things which are self sabotaging or self harming. Okay, the one theme that you can see in this 2021 will be a lot of unexpected pregnancies or unexpected marriage proposal or marriages being undertaken. And you will see a lot of rise in the sale of beauty products, perfumes, and cars, which is already being shown around us with the data that is coming out after the second quarter and third quarter results. And a lot of wedding ceremonies, luxurious wedding ceremonies being undertaken. So it will help our economy, help our craftsmen, and help all the people around, uh, so that they can recover from the losses of their 2020. So just look around you and you will see a lot of unexpected pregnancies and a lot of unexpected marriages, as I said. And one thing which is also there, people will get jealousy issues. Okay, all the abundance and prosperity that is coming in this 2021, people which will lack, which will have that lack mentality, will get the jealousy issues that I don't getting this, I don't getting that. So just avoid these people, avoid their taunts, avoid their talks, and be on your path and reach the abundance, prosperity, and all the luxuries that you are manifesting in this new year, so that your life goes ahead in full speed and not with the brakes. Okay, after March 2021, you will see a lot of karmas of friendship and third party relationship being released, because it has being repeatedly coming into this life from the past lives or past lifetimes or some soul contract, so that we tend to learn and grow through hurts only. We have that feeling around us. So after March 2021, you will see a lot of release in this regard, and you will see a lot of hurts or emotional instability coming in for a period of 2 to 3 months. So just mindful of that and be aware that something is coming which is being released for the betterment of you only. So just be aware. Awareness is the best thing that can happen in this 2021. Another theme you will see this year is will be that a lot of revolutions, rebellions against the government will happen. We all are already seeing this from the last January 2021, and it will continue till the time Saturn is in Capricorn, because Saturn in Capricorn is conjuncting Pluto, which is the both are the significators of masses and revolutions and uprisings. So in January 2020, we saw what was happening in the Shaheen Bagh of Delhi after the Citizen Amendment Act, and now again we are seeing in this year after October, we are seeing the farmer protest being highlighted all across the world, and continuous protests against the government. And you will see a lot of them not just in India, around the world, because government has now reached its limitations of controlling the authority and using the authority in a negative way. So after March 2021, you will see a lot of rebellions against the lockdowns and the curfews that are being imposed due to the coronavirus or the new strains or the coronavirus that is happening around us. So it is a year of uprising. It is a year of societal change. It is a year of thinking change and mindset changing. So just change your thinking from the lack mentality to an abundance mentality. Just change your thinking from lack of status to a recognized yourself. First recognize yourself, then only you will be recognized around you. So change this thinking around you, because this year and the 2022, both these 2020, 2021 and 2022, 3 years are a time of societal changes and a lot of which we say, which is the name of our brand, Swamanthan. This a lot of Swamanthan and Samudra Manthan like thing is going on. So all churning going on in the world. So you will not the the very first thing that came out from the Samudra Manthan was the poison, the halahal wish, which Shiva drank, and so the when the Samudra Manthan of this world started in 2020, the very first thing came out, a poison, which is coronavirus. So just aware that something is turning around us and something is blending and changing and changing. So something new will come up, but for the new to come up, the old has to be demolished. So the old systems of thinking, old systems of our working things I have demolished. Now we are doing more of work from home. We are doing of more of internal work rather than the outer work. We are meeting less people. So these all changes are coming in. So it is a time of societal change. It is a time of mindset change. It is a time of work change. And be aware, the higher the rise, the greater is the fall. So fall will come, okay, but it may come around April, it may come around May, or it may come around June. So it will come. So be clear on your path, be clear. The very thing which is goes up has to come down. Shall it is a year of expressing yourself creatively, doing things which gives you happiness, and creating your self abundance, creating your prosperity, manifesting it and reaching its potential, and changing the things around, changing your mindset. And also the fight back which we showed after the September 2020 has to continue in the fight against coronavirus or the health issues or the anything which is coming around us. So be resilient, be in the fighting spirit, and achieve what you have got. And I wish you a very good luck and a very happy New Year 2021 again. Again, I wish you that all the abundance, prosperity, and the happiness which you deserve will come to you in a very fun, easy, and joy manner. Okay, thank you very much. Remember, guys, this is just a general reading, so the themes and stories that I'm talking about will happen to the all the people and may or may not resonate with all of you. So if you want a personalized reading, kindly message me or in the comment section comment so that I can contact you. Thank you. Do like this video and share it with your friends so that the themes and stories reach to the every person around you, so that their journey also becomes easy. And do subscribe to our YouTube channel, because every week I'm coming up with a new video of teaching you astrology in a very light-hearted and a very easy manner. So do subscribe to the Swamanthan YouTube channel. Okay, thank you very much.